Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, manufacturers need a simple, reliable way to manage inventory and production. Katana is built to make manufacturing inventory easy. Let's break it down. Katana centralizes inventory, production planning, and order management in one platform. You can track raw materials, manage work in progress, and fulfill orders efficiently, all in real time. Its visual interface and automation tools help manufacturers reduce errors, prevent stockouts, and optimize production schedules, saving time and money. Katana makes inventory management and production planning clear, streamlined, and stress-free for modern manufacturers. If you want simple and effective manufacturing inventory management in 2025, Katana keeps your operations organized, efficient, and ready to scale. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.